All right, we're looking at question 6 of the 2015 JAMB Math exam, and we're being told that if the endpoint of one side of this square is minus 1, minus 1, and the point where S is 3, minus 1, we're being asked to find the area of the square. So this is actually a very easy question. There's several ways to solve it, of course, but let me use the most obvious and simple approach to solving it. We're told that this is a square. And because it's a square, we know that all four sides are equal. So if we can find the length of one side, then it's very easy for us to now use the area of a square, where we know the area of a square, let's call it A, is equal to side times side, or side squared. So how do we find the length of one of these sides? Well, this square has been put on a coordinate system. And so we are told that our point R is at negative 1, meaning x is equal to negative 1, and y is equal to 1. And point S is at x is equal to 3, and y is equal to negative 1. So imagine if we had a coordinate system like this, and somebody told you that we had some point at minus 1 and another point at positive 3, and they ask you the distance between those 2 points. It should be obvious to you that this length here is actually 4. So that's one way I would be able to determine the length. But if that wasn't very obvious to you, you could also use the distance equation, where you find the distance between two given points. And when you do it that way, you will also calculate that the length of the side is equal to 4. So now that we know that this length here, let's call it small s, is equal to 4, then the area is quite easy to calculate. The area is equal to 4 squared, which is equal to 16.